Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share WhatsApp group link. Friends, if you want to invite people by sharing your WhatsApp group link, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now open your WhatsApp group. Now to share invitation link of this WhatsApp group, you need to press on the group name. Now here scroll it little down. Now here press on invite via link. Now here press on share link. Now here you can select the app to share the link. You can share this link on Telegram or you can also share it on Gmail or by using any other app. I am selecting Telegram app. Now from here select the contact and press on the send button. Now the group link is shared on Telegram app. So like this you can also invite people by copy paste the link or you can send link via WhatsApp also. So you can select any option to share invitation link of this group. So friends, like this you can very easily share WhatsApp group link. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.